Good morning, my dear student. Today I am here for your new topic, that is Introduction to Microsoft Access. Right? So let's start. But in last video we have discussed what is database. A database is a collection of data stored and accessed electronically. Means कोई भी डेटा हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली जब सेव करते हैं अपने कंप्यूटर के अंदर, इट इज कॉल्ड डेटाबेस. Microsoft Access is a database management system used to create, manipulate and organize the database, right? So Microsoft के program के through we are storing the data and manipulate the data, organizing the data. Okay, so this is a database. In this video we will see what are the practical work we can perform on the database, or we can say Microsoft Access, right? Let's start. First of all, we'll discuss in this what is the Microsoft Access 2016, and we have already discussed these things in last video. Microsoft Access, commonly known as MS Access, is a relational database management system. Means जब एक टेबल का दूसरे टेबल से रिलेशन होता है, suppose we are making here some tables. In table 1 we are discussing the student only personal data or personal information. In second table we are storing the data which is the academic records. Okay, means the school records. School related data we will store in table 2. So both tables are correlate to each other. This is called relational database. Okay. In this we are discussing here tables in Microsoft Access. Tables is what? Tables are the foundation of a database. Means किसी database को foundation करने के लिए हमें tables का use करना होता है, right? Means and data is a stored in tables. और हम डेटा को कैसे स्टोर कर सकते हैं? टेबल की फॉर्म में. आप लोगों ने घर में भी देखा होगा, अपना सामान रखने के लिए जो हमारे घर के डेली यूजेस चीज़ें होती हैं वो हम रखने के लिए हम अलमीरा यूज़ करते हैं. उसमें कबर्ड में, उस कबर्ड के अंदर रैक्स होती हैं जो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे हम डिफरेंट सामान को स्टोर करके रखते हैं. अ टेबल इज अ सेट ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स. सेम इन डेटाबेस में हम टेबल्स उसको बोल देते हैं जिसके अंदर अपना डेटा को हम स्टोर करते हैं. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स we are storing the data in a table form, right? Or table like structure. Each column is known as field. और सब columns को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Fields. Two fields cannot have same name. आपके दो columns हैं जिनकी आप name को same नहीं कर सकते हैं. Because अगर आप same name कर दोगे तो उसमें हमें समझने में और कंप्यूटर को ये आइडेंटिफाई करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी कि किस टाइप का डेटा हमें कब कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन किस रिकॉर्ड से हमें चाहिए. फाइन. रोज आर कॉल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स. जो हमारी रोज होती हैं वो पूरा रिकॉर्ड फैच करके रखते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट का रिकॉर्ड, सेकेंड स्टूडेंट, दी ऑल रिकॉर्ड्स आर सेविंग इन द रोज. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स which contains the related information, right? Fine. Now we have to discuss here this type of information. You can see this structure by the help of practical. External database, this is a ribbon. Table form we have to discuss by the practical. Let's start. Beta, this is your first window of Microsoft Access. Okay, this is your first window. Here you are saying blank database. You have to clicking on over there. Here is the database, blank database. You will see here the file name. You can change the file name. Student records, we want student database. Okay, I'm saving this file with student database, and after that we have to clicking on button click create. Okay, you will see this type of window. This is your quick access toolbar. We can discuss here some interfaces also which is given in Microsoft Access user interface. Okay, this is quick access toolbar. Here's so many options are there. Saving, undo, redo, these types of options available in a quick access toolbar. This is your table name, student database. Database name is here. Okay, This is the ribbon. Ribbon is this, where so many tabs are available and groups is also available. After that, we can fetch the data and applying the different functions on the data. Okay. Here one table is already shown, table 1. We have to enter the records in this table. You can see in your file, in your book also, on page number 26, figure number 2.8, same structure is given in your books. In page number 26, figure number 2.8, right? So, we have to start by the help of tables in Microsoft Access. How we can create a table? Here is already given the table, but we have to start how we can create a new table. Okay. First of all, first step is there, creating a table. When you create a new database or empty database, you are providing with an empty table. आपके पास एक empty table है, means जिसके अंदर कोई भी entry नहीं है. You can add data to your table. आप इसमें कोई भी data को enter कर सकते हो, name it, modify it and delete it also. आप इसमें कुछ भी information update कर सकते हो, right? You can create a table in accessing using the create tab. Create tab से आप क्या कर सकते हो, new table भी create कर सकते हो. See here on your screen, this is a second tab, create. I am clicking over there. In the tables group, we have so many options. First one is here table. If I am clicking over there, one new table will be added over there. Okay. See, table 2. If I am clicking over there, double clicking, table 2 is showing here. If I am clicking over there, table 1 is showing here. We can swap of both tables or enter the any data in a table. Okay. So I am creating here table 2. Now what we have to do, clicking in column click. बेटा ये information आपकी figure number 2.10 is already done. Creating table, an empty table created. This is also the figure number 2.11 here. Okay. Now I am showing you figure number 2.12. What we have to do, first of all, in table 1, I am entering some records which is given in your book also. Okay. First one, ID will be created already, new. I have to enter here name. Name is what? Name. I have to press the tab key. It will move to the next tab. Okay. Subject. What? Subject. Okay. This is your new table database. I have to enter here 1. This is 1. Subject field is over there. This is called the table. Okay. Next is, this is table 2. If you want to create this table also, you can have to enter the records. Name was in first table, ID was there and the subject was there. I am creating here the personal information, or you can say the records which we would need for the database purpose, right? So I have to enter here father name and address. Okay, over there. I have to enter the value of these types of records. Now this is table 1 and this is table 2. This is called IDs. Okay. So this type of records we can enter here. But one more thing is that here, what? First of all, we can enter the records here and we can see the different view also. We have two of views in Microsoft Access. After going to view tab, you can see here clicking on date sheet view. If I am clicking over there, this is already in the date sheet view. Okay. If I am clicking over design view, it shows the table 2, means आप इस table 2 में आप क्या information, क्या नेम आप इसमें अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, मतलब किस नेम से आप इसकी फाइल को, इस टेबल को सेव करना चाहते हो. सपोज आई वांट टू सेव विथ पर्सनल डेटा. ओके, पर्सनल डेटा. इट विल चेंजिंग द नेम ऑल्सो. देखो अब यहाँ पर क्या चीज शो हुई है, field 1 and field 2 is also showing here in design view. This is a design view. Field 1 is text and field 2 is also the text. This is the design view option in our table. Okay, we have to move to next view, date sheet view. I am going over there. This is personal information. I have to enter the records so that we can enter so many records with the help of different view. Suppose that father name, sorry, table 1, in table 1 we have to enter the record. First one, Ria. Okay, tab. What the subject? Maths. Next is Pooja, sorry, Neha. Subject is English. Next is Pooja. Subject is Hindi. Right? Move to next. Subject name is Rajesh and subject is over here science. So this record is saved here. Now what we have to do? Save the personal information. XYZ, whatever you want, you can save over here. Okay. After that, we have to know what we want to save the table name. You have already done this thing. When we will move to the next view, it wants the name of table. We have already saved with personal data. So that we can change the text type also. This is text. If I want to add one more field in this, suppose I want to add here marks. Okay, what I want? Marks. This is not given your book. I'm showing this thing is here, marks, and what I want here, I want to add the marks also. So what we need, first of all, in this view, date sheet view, sorry, design view, table view, okay, and we have to change the data type. What is the data type? Means which type of data we want to fill in the particular column. This is text because both are the names, subject name and the student name, but we want to add here marks, so that we have to change the data type. What type of number we have to use? Number, right? Now move to the personal data or table. Now we have to move date sheet view. You want to save the table now? Yes, I want to save the table. The settings are a little more and change to be shorter size if data is okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Now I want to add the marks over here. Suppose the 78, it is saving. Why? Because we have taken here number. That's why saving the number form. Okay. 67 and 90. Okay. The saving the file. I'm clicking on save button here, or you can press the control plus S option also. So this is the format of your MS Access, so that we can create a database in our table. Okay, MS Access is very useful for us because we can save the data as well as we can apply the queries, different types of queries. बेटा ये कंपलसरी नहीं होता है सिर्फ हमें रिकॉर्ड्स रखने हो, we have to use the records in future also. Okay, so that we can easily fetch the data by the help of query. It is very useful for us because we can apply the queries different times and different types also. Okay, so this is the MS Access data. So you can see this, you have already seen this type of window over there, right? Table 1, ID, first name, last name. You can apply different columns also. You can enlarge the columns and enter the data entry also over there. Okay, thank you.